In a quaint little town nestled between rolling hills, there lived a young girl named Lily. Lily was known for her unwavering optimism and determination. But one day, she faced a challenge that tested her resolve like never before. It all began when Lily decided to enter the town's annual talent show. She had been practicing her singing for weeks, pouring her heart and soul into each note. However, when the day of the talent show arrived, nerves got the best of her, and she froze on stage, unable to utter a single word. Feeling defeated and embarrassed, Lily returned home with tears in her eyes. She sat alone in her room, contemplating giving up on her dreams altogether. But then, she remembered her grandmother's wise words. Don't think that everything is over. Many decisions are in the hands of time. With renewed determination, Lily wiped away her tears and decided to try again. She continued to practice diligently, learning from her mistakes and growing stronger with each setback. Time became her ally, teaching her patience and resilience. Months passed, and another opportunity presented itself, an open mic night at the local cafe. This time, Lily took a deep breath, closed her eyes, and let the music flow from her heart. As she sang, she felt a sense of liberation, as if the weight of her doubts had been lifted. When she finished her performance, the crowd erupted into applause. Lily's heart swelled with pride as she realized that her journey was far from over. She had faced her fears head-on and emerged stronger than ever. From that day forward, Lily continued to pursue her passion for singing with unwavering determination. She learned to embrace the journey, understanding that success was not defined by one moment, but by the countless decisions made along the way. The moral of the story is clear. Setbacks and failures are not the end, but merely a part of the journey. With patience, perseverance, and the passage of time, anything is possible. So, never lose hope, for many decisions are indeed in the hands of time.